Hi, today we're going to take a look at using filters and search in the Kelloo planner. You'll find the filter bar at the top of the planner. Choose your search criteria, then select Apply to see the results. Any project or work filters you set will filter the data displayed in the top of the planner only. The utilization panel includes allocations from all projects and work, so you get an accurate picture of your resources and teams' utilization and availability. Resource filters such as role, team or resource tags filter the data in both the top of the planner and the utilization panel. With your filters set, save them for future use. Any saved filters can be reused by selecting My Saved Filters. If you are looking to assign a resource and you don't see them listed, then adjust your filters. Now let's take a look at using search in the planner. In the top of the planner, you can search for things like projects, work, tags, roles or teams. In the utilization panel, search for things like teams, roles or resource names. That's all for today.